Hello guys, so in this video we're going to learn about how we can download the Arduino IDE. So first of all, we come to Google and then we'll write down Arduino, we'll search for it, and once you press enter, it's going to take us to this page where you can see here the software, right? So you can click this Arduino software. So once we come to this page, you're going to see there are two types of IDE. One is online IDE, the other one is offline IDE. Okay, so there's the web editor. If your internet connection is fast, I would recommend you to use this one. However, I prefer the offline one because I want to work without the internet as well. So there are different versions for Linux, for Macs, for Windows. Okay, so there's a Windows app, so I'd like to get the Windows install. It's just the normal one. So if you press this one, it's going to download page here. Okay, so it's going to bring you to the contribution page if you like to contribute anything, but I just would like to download it. And when you press this one, as you can see, I've already tried making these things. Yeah, so if you already have a download, you just can cancel it or you can let it go. So I have already downloaded it, so as you can see here. So and once you finish downloading it, if you press it, you'll see it will bring you to the Arduino installation. So you can press next, and you will find this page and you can close it down, okay, at the end. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you would download the Arduino IDE. Thank you guys for watching.